Welcome to Newspresso. Here is the top story in the past 6 hours. On Wednesday, Justice Department sent an indictment. Phyllis McCormick charged with misusing funds. About $5 million was misused. The case centers on overpayments to her business. Prosecutors claim cash funneled into 2021 campaign. Florida hired Trinity Healthcare Services. The contractor registered people for vaccinations. The agency later discovered that Trinity had been overpaid. The overpayment hit the $5 million mark, raising a red flag that turned into a full investigation. At the time, Phyllis McCormick was the chief executive officer of Trinity. Prosecutors say the company was paid too much and that the excess money was then routed into her campaign coffers. Attorney General Pam Bondi called the alleged conduct particularly selfish and cynical. She warned that no one, even powerful people, is above the law and pledged to pursue justice. The indictment was followed by a phone message. At Phyllis McCormick's Washington office, Florida agency has sued her family's company. She was overcharged by nearly $5.8 million for pandemic-related work. That suit was filed in December 2024. Phyllis McCormick was elected Congress in 2022. It was a special election after the death of Rep. Alcee Hastings. Her district includes parts of Broward. It also includes Palm Beach counties. In early 2021, her income was $6 million. It increased more than $6 million, according to a report. It was from the Office of Congressional Ethics. The increase was largely tied to consulting fees. Profit-sharing fees were also part of the increase. In July, the House Ethics Committee voted unanimously. They reauthorized an investigative subcommittee. The subcommittee will examine allegations against her. The indictment marks a turning point in the case. It brings the legal process into the public eye as the investigation unfolds. Officials are checking if federal overpayments were fraud or an administrative mistake. The outcome could affect disaster relief fund management and how public officials handle campaign finance. Evidence checks the use of the money. The evidence and testimonies will determine whether Phyllis McCormick's use of the money violated federal law. Subscribe Newspresso. Never miss a major global headline.